Are you ready to dive in to learn more about Procreate Brush Library and Studio? Then continue watching. Hi everyone, I am Harini. I am an iPad artist. Welcome back to the next series. And if you haven't watched the previous series, then give it a try so that you can understand the basic interface tools, menus, gesture, and how to create documents with custom settings. In today's video, we will learn about Procreate Brush Library and Studio. I will show you how to install the brushes that I have created for this video, and we will go through each one of them. Also, you will learn how to control the brushes and edit brush setting using Procreate Brush Studio. You just need an iPad, Procreate app, and stylus. Let's explore the brushes now. Procreate has tons of preset brushes. Here on the left, you see the various brushes set, and each brush set has many collections of brushes inside. You can choose any brush and start drawing. For example, this is an inking brush. Now go to artistic. You can try this one. So there is a huge variety of brushes. Try it yourself. For this video, I prepared my own set of 14 essential brushes, which I will show you how to install. Once you purchase the brush from my website, go to the Files folder in your iPad. Select your storage location, iCloud or Dropbox. Then go to the Downloads folder. You can locate your downloaded Procreate brushes directly here, or you can download the file by clicking on the download button from the invoice email. Also, you can find the link to purchase under this video and simply tap on it, and after the import is done, open Procreate app on the iPad. Click on Brush Library. Here we can find all our imported brushes. Next, tap on Edge Matters Essential Brush Set, which we just imported. You will just see the list of brushes that we will use in the video. Let's take a look at them. The first one is a pen brush, which we will use to draw perfect shapes. Let me show you guys now. I am just drawing a simple circle. You see how perfectly we can create a closed contour using this brush. Next one is a sketch brush, which looks like a pencil as you see. The third one is a monoline brush, which is good for drawing the smooth lines with the same thickness. The rest are texture brushes. The leather brush has this kind of texture, and the last one is sand dune. It's an amazing brush to add sand texture to the sketch, and also it's a multi-purpose brush. Now I'm gonna show you how to edit brush settings. To do this, we select the brush that we want to customize. For example, the dust brush. Swipe left menu. You can easily share it or duplicate or delete it. Tap duplicate. Tap one more time on the same brush. Now we get into the Brush Studio. On the right, you see a drawing pad which lets us preview the changes made to the brush. On the top, tap the edit icon. Here you can change the brush color. Choose any color of your choice and start drawing like this. Or you can just clear the screen. Let's draw a line here and see what will happen if we change the brush settings. There are a lot of them. For example, in stroke path, let's change the space setting that controls how close these spaces move with each other. You can see the preview is changed dynamically. 0 means that the shape path doesn't have any spacing in between them. Streamline is responsible for line smoothness without any shakes in line. There are many settings that you can play with. There is even a new color dynamic feature that will change the color of brush depending on pencil pressure or other things. There are a lot of other settings here that we will explore later, and even create a custom brush. When you are done with the changes, click done. I also have a video on how to create a custom brush in Procreate, so do check that video if you are interested. So if you want kind of a hand-drawn flower, rainbow, or just whatever you want to create as far as a stamp or making more alteration to your brushes, it's super easy to do so with Procreate. And just as a reward for making it through the entirety of this video, head to the link in my description box down below to purchase the essential brush that I used in this video. You will be able to access them once you purchase them on my website. And now time for your project homework, that is to explore Brush Studio and Brush Library and play around with the settings on your own. And if you enjoyed the video, please do give it a likes and subscribe if you are new here. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. See you soon.
All in this, I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honest, honest.